How to redeem Zoetis Petcare Rewards. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to redeem Zoetis Petcare Rewards. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Once you have at least 100 points available in your rewards bank, you can redeem your points by logging in and selecting the Redeem Points option. As you continue to earn points, you can continue to redeem points for rewards on your rewards homepage. In your account settings, you can opt in to automatically redeem your points for funds on your MasterCard whenever 100 points are available in your account. So, this is how you can redeem Zoetis Petcare Rewards. If you found the video helpful, smash that like button, comment if you have any queries, and be sure to subscribe to our channel Login Giants for similar helpful tutorial. See you on the next one.